Shantae, and you're watching Shake It Up with Shantae. If you've been here before, welcome back and thank you so much. If this is your first time, welcome and thank you. Today I will be showing you guys how I make my buttermilk cornbread. It's very simple. It's a very southern recipe. When it's not going to be long, let's jump right into it. So, what you will need is a half a stick of butter, some buttermilk, 2 eggs, sugar, and I have 2 cups of self-rising cornmeal right here. Now, you can use whatever cornmeal you like, but I use self-rising. I use white lily. This is 2 cups. All right, so I have my 2 cups of cornmeal in here. I'm going to add my half a stick of butter. I will be adding to that about a cup of buttermilk. Cup of buttermilk. And I'm going to add 2 eggs. And I'll also be adding 1/4 cup of sugar, which is optional for you guys. If you don't want to add sugar, don't add it. But like I said, this is how I make my buttermilk cornbread. 1/4 cup of sugar, okay? It won't be that sweet at all, trust me. So I'm just going to whisk this. All right, so now that it's mixed up, I'm going to be pouring this in my already greased cast iron skillet. So I have several of these cast iron skillets. This is a smaller one I have. So I'm going to be baking this cornbread right in this skillet. I'm going to put this in the oven on 350 for about 30 minutes. Just shake it a little bit just to move it around. As you can see, my pan is well oiled, so it should not stick at all. And cast iron skillets are the best skillets to make cornbread. Very good. So we're going to put this in the oven, and I'll be right back when it gets done. All right, y'all, I have taken my cornbread out of the oven, and it's still hot. It's still piping hot. I just took it out. And you see it's golden brown. I just took a little piece of butter. I like to take a little piece of butter and sit it on top and let it melt. And then I'm going to cut it. All right, so I'm about to cut it. It's still hot. Ooh, look at that. And there you have it. Buttermilk cornbread. Simple and easily made. I'm going to pick this up just like this. This is the best buttermilk cornbread I've ever had. Very simple recipe. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this recipe and you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.